So here we are at Costco in Glasgow, and I'm going to show you some of the offerings they had that are a little bit different than what we've seen in North America. Okay, Jason, what have we found in Glasgow at the Costco?
So this is a double chicken fillet sandwich. So as you can see, they give you two breasts that are breaded, and then there's some cheese and a little bit of lettuce and tomato on it. Looks pretty good. It's big.
Okay, and our friend has ordered, what is this called?
Chicken bake.
This is a chicken bake. Now it is pizza dough on the outside. And what is on the inside?
Chicken, bacon, mozzarella,
Chicken, bacon, mozzarella, and
Caesar sauce.
salad dressing. So this is quite large, as you can see, compared to the soda. It's quite large and will be probably quite filling. Now for myself, I have ordered a chicken Caesar with rotisserie chicken. So they use their rotisserie chicken. I've got nice lettuce, I've got a dressing, I've got my croutons, and even a little package of Parmesan. So that's my lunch today. I'm reporting on the rotisserie chicken salad. It was very delicious. It was fresh, crisp. The rotisserie chicken was very nice. Jason, how was your chicken burger?
My chicken burger was really, really good. Lots of chicken, two full breasts. Like, I took one of the breasts off and Roma had it, which was great. We both got our protein for the day.
We got our protein for the day.
Yeah, we certainly did. Other than that, really, really good. The bun was a little bit dry, but they do have different sauces you can choose from, you know, your typical ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. So we did keep that, and it was great. Really good.
Now, what did you think of the chicken bake? Because we did sample the chicken bake.
Yeah, no, Stuart's chicken bake was amazing. Quite saucy inside, which I am a personal big fan of. But yeah, plenty of chicken, well done, freshly baked.
Very nice. Now, something we found a bit unusual is that there are no French fries or crisps or chips or whatever they call them to be seen anywhere here in Costco.
Yeah, it's a big surprise, and our friend basically said, "I'm surprised they don't sell them because they would sell a ton of them."
Right, but they don't have them here. Instead, they have a few other offerings, so we'll show you what those are. So here are some of the offerings we're finding in Glasgow at their Costco. Much more interesting than some of the offerings we have back home. Really like them. They were very tasty. Still have some of the classics like pizza, but they definitely have a few others that are delightful. And I just wanted to show you what the options are.